What is electricity? Learning content. 1. Why do we need electricity? 2. What is electricity? 3. Electrical conductors. 4. Electrical insulators. 5. Static electricity. 6. Quiz time. Why do we need electricity? Electricity is essential for lighting, powering appliances, transport and communication systems. Without electricity, life would be very different. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of charged particles. Charged particles include positive protons and negative electrons. An electric current is the flow of electrons around a circuit. Electrical conductors. All materials contain electrons, negatively charged particles. In materials made of metal, the electrons are free to move and carry the electrical charge. This makes them good electrical conductors. Electrical insulators. Most non-metal materials, e.g. rubber and plastic, can conduct electricity because the electrons are not free to move, so can carry electrical charge. This makes them electrical insulators. Static electricity. When you rub a balloon on a jumper, the electrons move from the jumper to the balloon. Negative charge builds up on the balloon. This is called static electricity. If you touch the balloon, you may get an electric shock, as electrical charge travels through you to the ground. Quick quiz. 1. Name something powered by electricity. 2. What is electricity? 3. What makes a metal a good electrical conductor? 4. Name a material which is an electrical insulator. 5. What is static electricity? Quick quiz answers. 1. Lights, appliances, transport or communication systems. 2. The flow of charged particles. 3. Electrons are free to move and carry electrical charge. 4. Wood, plastic or rubber. 5. The build-up of electrical charge.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.